Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can add a speedy light leaks overlay to your opening video in CapCut. So here you just need to add or prepare the clips that you want to edit. I've already added mine like this, and after that you can just go to overlay, add overlay, and then choose the light leaks video. So I use this, I got it from TikTok. You can also find yours on TikTok. Click on add, but since my video is landscape, I'm going to rotate the overlay first like this, then fit the size. Okay, after that go to speed. I'm going to make it fast. Click on normal, and I'm going to make it fast, make it 3 times faster like this. Click on a check icon, and after that go to blend, and here lower the opacity. I'm going to go with 45%. Click on a check icon, and you are done. So it will go like this. Okay everyone, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.